Unlock a world of games and content by mastering the art of changing your Xbox account region. Alright gamers, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need your Xbox console and access to a reliable internet connection. Ensure you are signed into the Xbox account you want to modify then. Navigate to the settings menu. You can usually find this by pressing the Xbox button on your controller and selecting the gear icon. Once in settings, look for and select system, then choose language and location. Within language and location, you'll find options to manage your console settings. Here you will change your location. This is crucial. Select the location option. This is where the magic happens. A list of countries will appear. Find the country you want to switch to. Bear in mind, you should be able to legally reside in the new location. After selecting the desired country, the console will likely ask you to restart to implement the changes and update your Xbox settings. Once the Xbox restarts, you might be prompted to accept the changes or your account info updated. Confirm the selected options to ensure all is set up correctly. That's it, you've successfully changed your Xbox region. You may now access content and services specific to the new country. Congrats! Always remember to respect Microsoft's terms of service and enjoy all the new games and content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy gaming!